First of all, I am very much thankful to the management of this institute, the concerned authorities, faculty members, principal, and some of my students, they are working here as a faculty. So those who are working here as a faculty, you made proud for us. So 1 week before, I received one call from one of your favorite teacher, Han Madam, and she asked to visit our school for one conference. So I would like to congratulate you all for organizing such an excellent event for the budding scientist. You all are scientists. Today you just declare yourself, you are scientist. You are future of India. Because for a conference, you gathered here for one cause, and that is of course Nobel cause. And this Nobel cause will lead in an excellent ideas, innovation, dedication, devotion will definitely help for the betterment of our nation. When I inaugurate this conference by cutting the ribbon, when I enter in the school, I felt very happy by going through various demonstrations of your ideas. All these students, you have done excellent job because you are future scientists. Your innovations are reflecting in the form of your models. While interacting with the experts during their visit to your model, definitely I hope that you will interact your ideas with the experts in this concerned field. The school, I feel that such an innovative ideas, if you are continuing these ideas, definitely one doesn't know, you will become world famous scientist. Maybe some will go in space research, some will go in health research, some will become very good philosopher, very good innovator, because this is your own ideas, and your own ideas will reflect all the time only for the welfare of human beings, and you are doing excellent. I hope in future also, with your innovative ideas, you have to prepare different models, demonstrations, and you go for patenting. At this age, if you register yourself for the patent, I request authorities and the staff, these ideas, you prepare small video of individual demonstrations. Keep the record, take photographs, and go for designing patents. At this age, if you register yourself for the patent, and in future, if you are working on the same model, you will get so many ideas for the refinement or for the betterment of your own ideas. And there are so many fellowships to file the patent. Of course, there are so many national and international agencies, they will help you to file the patent as far as financial assistance is concerned. You are not supposed to spend a single rupee to file the patent. There are so many government agencies, they are ready to wait such young scientists, and you can avail these facilities. I know well, you are studying well, you are very hard worker, your smiling faces are reflecting that your future generations, and this school definitely will provide all the necessary facilities to shape your future. As you are growing, your teachers will also help to grow. And definitely, by organizing LEAD conference, this is a very good platform for you all. You can take benefit of such events, and in future also, you will actively participate in such events. And definitely, as a result of which, some of you will get awards, some of you will get recognitions, and definitely these recognitions will help you to develop your confidence level. You take these ideas, you take opportunity, you take these event as an opportunity to develop your innovative ideas. With these words, once again, I am thankful to the management of this institute, principal, teaching faculties, and all my student faculties, your teachers. And lastly, I am special thankful to you all for sparing some time to listen my words. So, thank you so much. Thank you.